Linux learners, Python learners, and command line ninjas. Welcome to Insight Builder channel. Mastering GREP with 6 commands right on your browser using Kaggle. If you are not aware of Kaggle and if you are not even aware of Linux, then leave that to me. We are going to show you how to actually get access to seven different ways to get access to Linux from right from your own device, and also ensure that your device is not changed at all. Is that even possible? And if you are questioning that how to do that, then head to my playlist where I explore the 7 different options that is possible from your own device in this playlist. Take a look at this playlist where I will explain this process, exploring top challenges that Linux solve. Take a look at that, and you will see that all these 7 ways are experimented. And out of that, we are going to use Kaggle. The grep command, the globally search regular expression and print, this is called grep. This grep command is going to give you a very important way of searching not just files, even your folders. How are we going to do that? We are going to learn by searching single word, then multiple word, then the context around the word, then counting the words inside the file as well as in the directory and getting the line numbers. These are very simple yet very crucial set of activities that you will do day in and day out in lots of your files that you are working. Whether you are a programmer or a software developer, whether you are related to programming or not, you will need to search files. You will need to search for files that contain certain words and how many times those words are repeating in certain folder. All these activities can be really streamlined fast. And how are you going to learn it? You are going to learn it on Kaggle. Kaggle is a place where you can master your Python skills, but not just that. Kaggle is also a place where you can master your Linux skills if you understand how Kaggle environment is built. Kaggle environment is basically a Linux Docker inside which the Python execution environment works. Okay, if all this sounds very complicated, don't worry about that. I'll be giving you certain links which actually explains what is Jupyter environment, what is Python execution environment along with this video. Take a look at those links that pop up on the top right corner of this video. Now, without further ado, just take that link that I have shared there, the Linux command grep. This particular Linux link will be shared with you in the YouTube description, this video's description. Just copy it into your browser. If the browser asks that you need to sign in, then do sign in with your Google Gmail ID, and then you will be landing in this particular page. In this particular page with this particular link, all you need to now do is edit. Click on edit. What will this happen is it will actually take you to the execution environment. This execution environment has the draft session to be started. So I click on the play button, this draft session started. And during it is getting started, I'm showing the data sets. See, all these data sets will be available for you to everybody who is going to use that link. It is available as a common practice ground, as I was telling. So this is a common practice ground, you don't need to worry. And this code is actually Python code. You might be thinking, okay, how am I going to execute Linux in that? It's a very simple step, and I'll be explaining that in the next cell. Just give me a moment. You see all the files getting, and here you see the grep, and I am having an exclamation mark. In the earlier cells, you will see that you don't have the exclamation mark. That is what is required for getting Linux commands to execute inside this Kaggle notebook. I am going to explore what are the files available inside the finance and health folder. And you see there are lots of files available. I used ls command, Linux ls command by using the exclamation mark. And next, I'm going to explore what is inside the public health spending share gdp.csv by using cat command. And also I'm using an exclamation mark. That is important. And once I do that, I see there are lots of countries, and I want to know how many times Germany has been repeated. And you see that I get by using grep command. All I need to do was click on the play button. I have to take the grep, the search term, the Germany, and then the file name. Then I can get all the reply. You can try it out in the next cell where I have given that. in your own free time. Now, with the C switch, by using hyphen C, I can count how many times Germany repeated. You can see that right there, 20 times. You can try it with a different word right there. And next, the context. See, the most important point is sometimes you want to know what is there before and after the search term that you are searching. So, grep offers a very good switch terms for that, minus hyphen B and hyphen A, before context and after context. You can actually select the number of lines also. So I am going to use that right now. So grep hyphen B 3 hyphen A 4, and I will get three different lines before Germany starts. You see Georgia is coming three before that, and then after that I will get four lines in of Ghana. So this is what the context means. And this is the important part. I'm going to recursively search for Germany term inside the folder, finance health and health folder. You'll see there will be lots of data because there are lots of files which has Germany written occurring inside that. Okay, so I'll be showing, yeah, I'm scrolling down a bit, and you see there are lots of Germany along with the file name, the path of the file name, but it's very huge data, right? How to work with this data? The easiest way is by using the C switch along with the R switch. I can count the number of occurrences of Germany in the public hyphen file. So you see, I'm using asterisk mark there. That is actually a way of telling search only the public hyphen file name starting with public hyphen. And finally, to get the line numbers. So this is how you actually get the line numbers by using N switch. So you saw the Germany there without line numbers. Here it is with the line numbers. You can use that N switch with R switch. We can use it with other A and B switches also. So it is, you can actually test it out. You can this particular environment is created for practicing. Okay, you can easily practice by just signing in, and it is a replicable environment. And this is one of the major objective that I have for all my videos, that whatever content I'm sharing, it should be easily practiced from your side. That is how you can also develop your skills. And most important, the practicing should also be seamless, that the way you practice, you should get immediate feedback. And if things are not working out, you can always ask me for support over via the comment. I will be able to respond to you as soon as possible. And do leave a like to my video so that I will know that I am giving a good content to everybody. And share it with others who are looking for this kind of content. And subscribe to my channel. I am going to work on two other videos in this series of command line ninjas on SED and AWK. So stay tuned for that video. Till then, guys, forwards. Practice, 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 practice. Have a great time, guys.